Welcome to Tech Quest X, where we make tech clear and show what it means for your role. Everyone's talking about AI. Most assume AI will either replace jobs or simply act as an assistant. This prevalent assumption, however, completely misses the deeper, fundamental shift occurring. The true advantage in the AI era isn't just about learning how to prompt tools, nor is it solely about automating routine tasks, though that's important. The real strategic edge comes from understanding where and why AI actually fails. This isn't just a developer concern. It profoundly shapes product viability, security postures, and even sales pitches. Blindly trusting AI's output is a critical, often ignored, strategic vulnerability for any organization. Recognizing these limitations unveils both AI's biggest opportunities and its most significant risks. While our last discussion highlighted the surprising strategic advantage of AI, its rapid output also introduces a critical, often underestimated, hidden cost. AI can generate reports, code, and data analyses in mere seconds. It's incredibly fast, but this efficiency masks a significant challenge: the hidden cost of rigorous verification. Someone still must painstakingly check the accuracy, the logic, and the reliability of every AI output. This creates a completely new, often heavier cognitive workload for human teams. They spend more time validating AI results than producing entirely new content from scratch. The real challenge isn't generation anymore. It's proving AI didn't get something subtly wrong. This isn't just a developer concern. It impacts PM teams on quality, security, on vulnerabilities, and operations teams on stability. Speed without rigorous verification is not productivity, it's a ticking liability. Last time, we unveiled the hidden cost of AI, the immense human effort required for validation. But what if the AI itself actively hides that cost? AI systems are designed to sound incredibly confident, even when fabricating. It projects an authoritative tone, expertly masking its underlying flaws and inaccuracies. The generated reports, code, or designs appear professionally polished and complete. This visual perfection leads teams to simply assume the content is accurate and reliable. Instead of creating, entire teams now pivot their core responsibilities toward reviewing AI outputs. This isn't just a developer concern. Product managers must budget for these review cycles, and security teams face new risks. From subtly flawed code, even tech giants like Google have engineers whose primary task is checking AI-generated code suggestions. This vigilance is crucial. A small AI error can quickly cascade into a massive system failure. But this hidden work reveals a deeper transformation, a new skill emerging from the shadows. Those hidden costs, those masked errors, point to something far deeper than just resource allocation. The AI transformation fundamentally redefines not just tasks, but entire professional functions and interactions. It's not just automating away manual effort, but deeply embedding AI into collaborative workflows. Professionals will increasingly shift to guiding AI systems, setting objectives, and refining outputs. The focus moves to rigorous review and validation, ensuring AI-generated solutions meet critical standards. Machines still struggle with nuanced context, requiring human intuition for true understanding. Success hinges on discerning when AI's output is flawed, biased, or simply incorrect. Blind trust in AI is a strategic liability. This isn't just a developer concern. It fundamentally reshapes how product managers prioritize and ops teams ensure reliability. This profound shift demands a new core competency to navigate the AI-augmented future. The future of work isn't about perfectly automated systems. It's about perfectly informed human judgment. Mastering the inherent limitations of AI, its critical vulnerabilities, becomes key. Success demands discerning when AI outputs are trustworthy. You must actively challenge its assumptions, scrutinizing every result. Because complex, nuanced decisions always require human oversight, this isn't just a developer concern, it transforms product prioritization and resource allocation. Strategic advantage comes from understanding where AI will inevitably fail. Blindly trusting AI is a strategic vulnerability, not innovation. This skill elevates you past tool operator to critical strategist. Mastering the limits of AI unlocks human potential. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the true impact of AI. If this resonated, hit like and tell us your AI challenges below. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more insights into the tech landscape. Grab the full playbook and resources, link in the description.